Hey everyone, Notorious Squirrel here, and today I have received a package from the one and only Rabbit-Labs, so I'm super excited to open this as they've sent it me over for free to test out one of their sort of latest bits that they've added to the shop recently, which is their DEFCON 33 badge. And I'm so excited to get this open and get playing with this badge. I've followed DEFCON for a long time in badge life, and it's always been something that I've been super excited about, to see what badges are coming out each year and who's sort of sending the best one out there. So to actually finally get hold of one is a bit of a dream come true, especially being based in the UK and not being able to get across to the States as easy. Having this sent over to me is absolutely fantastic. So without further ado, I did open this up a little bit and then sort of thought I'll do a proper opening up with this. Oh, favourite phrase of the day here on our Discord, Bosch. For anyone that doesn't know what Bosch means, leave me a comment, let me know what you think Bosch means, and if you do know, also enlighten everybody else. So we've got one Bosch, I wonder what that is. We have got something that you guys don't need. What else have we got? What else have they sent over here? Oh, that looks right. That looks like the exciting stuff. Oh, what's this? They've also sent me a few other bits as well, which is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to presume that may be with that. This, oh, this feels soft and fluffy. Got to say as well, their marketing and bags and things like that are so cool. Like, look at that, that's insane. Right, let's get this open. They've not only sent me two t-shirts. Oh wow, two t-shirts. They've not only just sent me a DEFCON badge, they've also sent me the DEFCON t-shirt as well. How cool is that? One thing they do as well as electronics is logos and artwork. How cool is that? I will wear that with pride. That is so cool. And then the next t-shirt, again, how cool is that? Again, they don't mess around with artwork, do they? How cool is that? That's sick. Nice. That is awesome. Thank you guys. I'll be wearing those with pride, like I say. Again, right, that's the fun stuff. Again, with the badge. What's this? Oh, nice. For anyone that's seen me on Discord, they'll know I have a healthy obsession with coffee. Jesus, wow. What a cup. Now that is cool. Metal cup, look at that badge there, now. How cool is that? Wow. Not seen a cup like this. Nice little drawers. What's that? Is that a... Oh, nice. So it's got a slurpy bit, and it's also wow, I've never seen a cup like that. Well, not over here anyway. That's well cool. Thank you very much guys, that is insane. There will be many a coffee had with that. Everyone will be seeing more of that soon. This, oh, another Bosch. Thank you, Bosch. I can't love these bags. These bags are sick. How cool are they? And oh, these are wow. Oh, some nice little antennas there. They will come in handy later. And oh wow, these again super sick out. Let me just move this for a second. I've got a feeling. Look at these. Oh wow. Hope you're getting the effect of that. How sick is that one? Oh nice. And then some of the more cheeky pieces that they have. Nice. That's cool. God, my sticker collection has just been upgraded. Wow, they're so cool. Again, thank you guys, very much appreciated. These are insane, so cool. Right, for the main event, I'll get them away. Put you there. This is what we all came for. This is what I came for anyway. The badge. I've got to say, size-wise, I wasn't sure what to expect size-wise, but it's a big boy. We all say size matters, don't we? Yeah. So we've got the badge. Oh, nice, that's cool. We've also got 2 lanyards, thank you very, very much. And that's that. Sweet. Right then. Oh, a little IR, I'd say. LED. Look at that. How cool is that? Oh wow, connectors there. Nicely done, that's beautiful. Nice silk screen done there. And with the way those pins do, it sits up beautifully. And then, and they've even put a screen on for me as well. Normally it doesn't come with that screen, but they put that screen on for me as well, which is insane. Well, let's do this side first of all. So I imagine. There we go. That's that. Right. This is insane. This is so cool. Right. I'll stick that lanyard on in a sec as well. But this is so cool. Look at this. So we've got a SD card slot there. Yeah, I've got our ESP32-S3 boom chip there. A little joystick. We've got our USB-C power supply. Got our 2 antenna points there, little small antennas. And then underneath that screen, 2 chips there as well, the U7s. This is awesome. Sorry guys, I'm just stuck for words with just enjoying all this different silk screen as well. Oh, so scan for instructions, I'll be scanning that later. UART there, so we have a UART there, which will, I imagine, unlock some fun. Look at all these different pictures, they're so cool. There's different people that played into it. Pirates Plunder. That's a cool sign. Rocket Gods. We've got Rabbit-Labs, Pink Foxx, Talking Sasquatch, all these cool dudes. When. Nice. AWOC. I cannot wait to get this flashed and get this going and start to understand it more. But yeah, initially I just wanted to open this up, do a bit of a unboxing. Obviously a nice battery there as well. As you can see, there's all these LEDs around as well. I've had a quick read up and know these do certain functions when you do certain stuff as well. So yeah, really looking forward to get this flash. I'm gonna get this flashed with Rocket Gods firmware. I'll do some more videos, separate videos. I just wanted to do an unboxing video to get this done and get it shown off. But yeah, this silk screen is just something else. I could sit and just look at this for hours. So cool. JBO hack, need not apply. Thou shalt not ping. So cool. Just call me Coco. Oh, this is insane. But yeah, how cool is that? That gold there looks sick as well. So yeah, thank you Rabbit-Labs. Thank you for sending me this out. Thank you. This is insane. So yeah, really looking forward to playing around with this and learning. It's the first badge I've had as well. So for my first badge, I think I've got an absolute corker. Yeah, this is so sick. Thank you. Peace.